Our top story, a massive political war has broken out between BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party over the latest anti-Kejriwal ad by the BJP. Both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP have approached the Election Commission complaining of each other in the advertisement row. AAP has taken serious offence to the latest political ad by the BJP in Delhi newspapers. The ad, while taunting Kejriwal on the ruckus he created over not being sent an invite for the Republic Day parade, has a phrase in Hindi, the translation of which is, "Your anarchist subcaste was ready to disrupt the celebrations." Now, Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party have turned the ad into a major political opportunity, seeking a public apology and asking for its withdrawal. According to Kejriwal, the BJP has not only targeted him but the entire Agarwal community. Both Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP have gone to the Election Commission over the issue.
पूरे अग्रवाल समाज को उपद्रवी बताया है। उन्होंने लिखा है कि मैं उपद्रवी गोत्र से हूं। भाजपा की लड़ाई मुझसे हो सकती है, उन्हें जो कहना मेरे बारे में कहे। वो पूरे अग्रवाल समाज को उपद्रवी कैसे कह सकते हैं?
वास्तव में ये मुद्दा एक राजनीतिक लाभ को उठाने के लिए उनका जो राजनीतिक व्यवहार है, जो उनका अराजकता का डीएनए है, राजनीतिक संदर्भों में की गई बात को वो एक दूसरा ट्विस्ट देना चाहते हैं।
अरविंद केजरीवाल के गोत्र पर निशाना साधा गया है, उसको उपद्रवी बताया गया है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जो है वो अग्रवाल समाज से आते हैं। इसका मतलब आप पूरे अग्रवाल समाज को उपद्रवी बताने का काम कर रहे हैं।
मेटाफोर का मतलब आप सभी अच्छी तरह भली भांति जानते हैं। इट इज अ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच। इट डज नॉट नेसेसरली से फॉर द पर्टिकुलर पर्पस व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू कन्वे, and it has been twisted and misused by the Aam Aadmi Party.
हमने चुनाव आयोग को यही बताया कि जो भी चुनाव की आचार संहिता है, उन्होंने बिल्कुल उसके अगेंस्ट में जाकर उन्होंने 1.1 जिसके अनुसार कहा जाता है कि किसी दल या अभ्यर्थी को ऐसा कोई कार्य नहीं करना चाहिए जो विभिन्न जातियों और धार्मिक या भाषाई समुदायों के बीच विद्यमान मतभेदों को बढ़ाए या घृणा की भावना उत्पन्न करे या तनाव पैदा करे। तो उन्होंने तो इस तरह से कहकर ये कह दिया कि पूरा का पूरा एक समाज का बड़ा अंग उपद्रवी है।
मुझे लगता है किसी जाति से कोई लेना देना नहीं, अग्रवाल समाज से कोई लेना देना नहीं है और अग्रवाल समाज कोई इससे भ्रमित होने वाला भी नहीं है। अकारण एक कोशिश केजरीवाल जी जो कर रहे हैं, मुझे लगता है कि उन प्रश्नों के जवाब तो वो नहीं दे पा रहे हैं जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी उठा रही है, जो मुद्दे उठा रही है उसका जवाब नहीं देकर उन मुद्दों को अनर्गल इधर उधर घुमाने का कोशिश वो कर रहे हैं।
Jugal Purohit is now joining us from Vijay Chowk in Delhi for a perspective on this story. Jugal, the BJP came out with a response to Aam Aadmi Party's accusation that they are accusing a whole community of disrupting law in the city. They came out with a response much later. Does the Aam Aadmi Party feel that they have managed to get the better of the BJP?
Well, Maha, insofar as this issue is concerned, one can only say that what's taking place now in Delhi resembles what takes place in the final 5 to 10 overs of any one-day cricket match. You know, these are the slog overs and anything, simply anything just goes by. What we are seeing right now is a slugfest, and unless the election authorities actually step in, since both the parties in this case have approached the election authorities to, bring this advertisement to their notice, unless the authorities step in and the watchdog declares who's right, who's wrong, it's extremely difficult for anyone to make a comment about just what is the material tangible gain for any party emanating out of this ad. But yes, the fact remains that if today we are speaking about this ad, then yesterday it was about personal attacks, and there are still 5 more days to go before the campaigning ends. So one must not expect anything but this and a further worsening of the discourse. As I said, the only possible way out is the authority itself stepping in to clear the mark. Back to you.
Jugal, we've largely seen in this campaign in Delhi, rather than being constructive and bringing forth their points as to what they will do for Delhi, it's largely been a campaign where offensive remarks have been made against people in particular. How are the general public, the voters of Delhi, reacting to this sort of campaign?
Well, Maha, insofar as the voters' perspective is concerned, it's for them. It's always about issues. It's always about things like price rise. It's always about issues like women's safety. It's about issues, about corruption. And whenever we speak to the public at large, they've been talking about this. In fact, a very peculiar example is the onset of the winter season in Delhi, and yet what is seen over the years, a corresponding decrease, a cooling down of prices insofar as fruits and vegetables are concerned. That hasn't happened to that extent as earlier this time around. So, these are the things which are affecting the common people in the city-state of Delhi. And as you rightly pointed out, the campaign seems to be increasingly focused on Arvind Kejriwal. Union Minister Arun Jaitley going to the extent of saying that the only opposition really to the BJP is Arvind Kejriwal. It's not the Aam Aadmi Party or Congress, but Arvind Kejriwal. So, it's willy-nilly become a referendum of sorts on the Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal and his 49-day tenure, much away from what, as you rightly asked, the common people feel and want to discuss. Back to you.
Jugal Purohit, many thanks for joining us with those details. Let's quickly listen in now to Nitin Gadkari of the BJP and his response to this ad fiasco.
Sir, do tell us, there's been this entire talk where Kiran Bedi has been tweeting her own blueprint. Did she do this in consultation? There's no vision document yet. There is no manifesto yet. Yet Kiran Bedi is giving out a blueprint. How do you really see this?
First of all, Kiran Bedi already discussed 1 hour with me regarding the Delhi's problem. She also discussed all these things with the problem related to Delhi with Venkaiah, the Urban Ministry. And after that, as a vision, if she is talking something, it is relevant. I feel that there is no problem in it. And as far as BJP is concerned, as a central party or a state party or a state government of the central government, we have already a roadmap for that. And we want to develop Delhi as one of the best city in the world.
One of the advertisements that you're talking about, there have been series of them and they have been criticized by one and all, saying it is below the belt. This is something which has been very...
Nothing is below the belt. Some party has already decided to make a controversy of every subject. It is problem related with their habits. Best way is we should forgive them.
Also, one important question. This is what you spoke of the press conference. This is regarding the church attack, saying this could be a political conspiracy. What do you mean by that?
That is totally wrong.